Macronutrients. What are macronutrients? Macronutrients are classifications of foods that are found in large amounts in our diets. Macronutrients in our diets are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, fiber, and water. Macronutrients have an important role in providing energy through our daily diets and sustaining a healthy, active life. Carbohydrates are molecules that are made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Carbohydrates are converted into sugars or glucose to be used by energy by the body and are very important, especially for brain function and energy storage. Carbohydrates can be simple or complex according to their structure. Complex carbohydrates are considered a better option as they can contain other macronutrients, vitamins, and minerals needed by the body. For example, a donut has carbohydrates and so does a bowl of porridge. Carbohydrates provide 17 kilojoules of energy per gram. Examples of carbohydrates are rice, pasta, starchy vegetables, sugars, grains, and legumes. Proteins are large molecules made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. These atoms combine in specific structures to form amino acids that link in large chains to form proteins. There are 20 different amino acids, with 9 being essential as they are not manufactured in the body and so must be consumed through protein sources. Proteins are used by the body for structural and functional roles such as tissue growth and repair, enzymes, hormones, transportation, antibodies, and energy sources. Protein provides 17 kilojoules of energy per gram and is found in meat, eggs, dairy, legumes, and grains. Fats are molecules made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. They include triglycerides, phospholipids, and sterols. Monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats are considered the good fats to be consumed. Saturated and trans fats are considered bad fats and should be avoided. Fats have beneficial structural and metabolic functions. They can be an energy source. There's unlimited storage in the body, used in the processing of proteins and carbohydrates. Omega-6 and 3 are essential for digestion, absorption, and transportation of fat-soluble vitamins. Fat is insulation and also helps with hormone balance. Fats have the highest energy concentration of all the macronutrients at 37 kilojoules per gram. Here are some examples of fats to try and include in our diets and fats that we should try and avoid in our diets. Fiber is an essential macronutrient in the diet. Fiber is plant-based materials, polysaccharides that are indigestible carbohydrates such as cellulose. Consumption of fiber helps aid digestion, laxation, and prevents constipation. It assists in the control of blood glucose and cholesterol levels. Fiber provides 8 kilojoules of energy per grain and can be found in whole grains, cereals, fruits, and vegetables. Water is a macronutrient that does not provide energy but is essential for life. Adequate amounts cannot be manufactured by the body, and our body is made up of 50 to 80% water. Alcohol is a macronutrient that's not necessary to sustain life, 27 kilojoules of energy per gram with no nutritional content. The Australian Dietary Guidelines for Macronutrients recommends that we consume 40 to 65% carbohydrates, 20 to 35% proteins, and 15 to 25% fats in our diets on a daily basis. They also recommend 25 to 30 grams of fiber per day for adults, to drink plenty of water, approximately 2 litres, and to limit our alcohol consumption. Some foods contain more than one single macronutrient. For example, dairy has fats and proteins, whereas peas have carbs and proteins. Macronutrients can be obtained in the diet in many ways. Here's some great examples: meat and 3 veg, a stir fry with rice, or a vegan chickpea and lentil curry with some avocado. Consuming a diet as recommended by the Australian Dietary Guidelines with a wide variety of foods from the 5 food groups, limiting saturated fats and processed foods, will help ensure that you get the right balance of the macronutrients needed for a healthy, active life. Thank you for watching.